Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to put thumbnails on YouTube videos. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, click on plus icon and tap on video. Just click and choose these videos. Okay, choose your YouTube videos and choose and next. Okay, then you click on your gallery option and plus gallery option. Just click and choose your thumbnail. Okay, then choose and select your thumbnails and just add a title and click on upload and put thumbnails on YouTube videos and upload. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.